Okay, boys and girls, this kind of a wild one, okay? That is somewhat of an acquired taste. So Jameson's Margarita. My friend in Vegas introduced me to this one. I forgot her name, all right? Anyway, so you start off with some Jameson in a glass, come behind with some Grand Marnier, fresh squeezed lime juice. It's got a really unique taste, all right? Super tart. Pineapple juice, okay? Shake, okay? Then we have some coarse salt, a little lime, we can rim our glass. It's just a sexify in the glass, okay? Beautiful. And then we can fill that with some ice, all right? Get some ice in there, and then we can strain in our mix, okay? This one was wild. When she made this for me, I was like, what? Okay, we're not done yet. We can talk about some lemon lime soda. I know mixologists looking at this going, dude, none of those go together. Open your mind, homeboy. We taking you in a new direction to some place you've never been before. And there you have it. Listen, for some more crazy margaritas, because we do have a ton of margaritas on tipsybartender.com. Come through, get your margarita on, okay? You could have 90 margaritas at your next party. Stay tipsy.